Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected viewers, I am Mudassar Amir and you are watching my YouTube channel Village Life with Mudassar Amir. Respected viewers of my channel, different programs of different nature have been launched on this channel for last 1 year. Today also I have a unique program for you. I have a special guest, Mr. Muhammad Siddiq Parhad, an education expert. We have a few questions for him. First of all, I welcome Mr. Muhammad Siddiq Parhad on my channel. Welcome, sir, and Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam, Hafiz Saab. And thank you for inviting me on your channel for sharing of ideas.
Sir, parents are the key figures in child personality development. How they can play a positive role in child personality. If the parents are not present at home, what will be the effects on life of the children?
Parents have a vital role on the life and the personality of a child. Parents are the first mentor of a child. They are the first teacher. They are the first trainer of a child. They have a vital and important and crucial roles in the life and education of a child. But in some cases, if the parents are not at home, they are in the fields, they are working in the banks, they are working in the offices, and they are doing their business and they are not attending their child, this will badly affect the life, education, and the personality of a child in different ways. First of all, if the parents are not at home, they are not present, they are not attending their child, their children cannot take proper love and training from their parents. Secondly, it will cause health issue. It will cause a lack of confidence in the children. And the very important thing is that when the children are free at home, they will use the mobiles. They will use the different applications and they will play the games for the whole day. This will badly affect their nature. I am addressing on behalf of this channel to those parents who are not attending their child at home and they are busy in their business and they are engaged and they are not interested in their children. I am addressing to those parents that your presence is vital. Your position is irreplaceable. You are the only one to guide your children in an excellent way. In the past, the things were different. In the past, the condition was totally different. There was a Islamic culture at that time. The children at that time used to get up early in the morning with their fathers. The children performed Fajr prayer with their parents in the mosques. And after taking breakfast, they again went to the mosque for reciting of Holy Quran. The Islamic teacher, the religious teacher of that time was very mature, very sincere with the children. The playgrounds of that time were full of players. The college level students, the youth, used to play different games like hockey, cricket and football. The mothers and grandfathers and grandmothers used to tell different moral stories to their children in the evening time. That was the peak time. Islamic culture was there, the manners, the lifestyle, the practices, the customs and traditions were totally Islamic. But now everything has been changed. At that time when the youth played different games, their heroes in the games were Ron Khan, Javed Miandad, Zahir Abbas, Alexander Viv Richard, Kapil Dev, Dennis Lilly, Richard Headley. These were the heroes and favorite players of that time, of the youth. But now the condition is totally changed. Our children get up early in the morning and started using mobiles for the whole day. On mobiles, there are different positive and negative things, and students and children, youth is not mature enough to differentiate between the right and wrong. They play different games like Free Fire and PUBG on mobiles. That's not good. In the past, the youth of the college level students used to read different novel books. Their favorite novel writer were Dipti Nazir Ahmad, Naseem Ejazi, and in the poetry, Allama Iqbal, Hali and Ghalib. These were the favorite poets of that time. So the positive things were in that time. I am talking about past 20, 30, 40 years back. But now, different actor and Bollywood actresses are the favorite personalities of the youth. Katrina Kaif, Aishwarya Rai, Preeti Zinta, Salman Khan, Anil Kapoor, Akshay Kumar, Shah Rukh Khan. These are the favorite actor and actresses and the heroes of the child. So the situation is very different now. So on behalf of this channel, Hafiz Saab, I addressing to those parents who are not attending their child that your position is vital and important, crucial.
Sir, my next question is which language is the best language for education? Mother language or foreign language?
Mother language or any foreign language like English? My categorical answer is that mother language is the best language for the children, at least at primary level. There are different languages in Pakistan. We are living in Punjab, Pakistan. First of all, our young kid used to speak Punjabi language with his mother, father, brothers and sister. But when the child goes to the school administration and teacher says him that Urdu language is very important. It is our national language, and also teach him the English language also. They says that English has become the symbol of status and very important language of science and technology. Returning back to home, his parents send him to the mosque. There, the religious and Islamic teachers teach him the Arabic language, Arabic alphabets. And he says that Arabic language is the language of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam and the language of Quran. So our children has to understand 4 different languages in our society. That is very difficult. So if you ask that which language is the best language for the children, my answer is that mother language is the best language because it is easy to communicate and easy to understand.
Thank you very much for giving your precious time.